Welcome to Nova, your go-to source for smart ways to earn and grow your income. In this video, we're revealing 5 side hustles that pay daily in 2025 perfect if you want fast cash and flexible freedom without waiting weeks to get paid. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on side hustles, passive income, and elite living. Let's get started. 1. Food and grocery delivery services. Delivering food or groceries remains one of the most popular daily income options in 2025. You choose your hours, location, and workload, making it ideal for those who need flexibility. Many platforms now offer instant pay or fast pay features to access earnings the same day. Peak delivery hours during lunch and dinner often result in higher tips and bonuses too. You only need a smartphone, a vehicle, and basic orientation to begin delivering orders locally. Some drivers also bike or walk in urban areas, which cuts fuel costs and increases efficiency. Customer service and speed matter most, as ratings influence future delivery opportunities. Strategic planning helps. Work high-demand zones and stack multiple orders per delivery run. Apps give heat maps showing where to go for more consistent orders and higher tip amounts. By combining multiple apps, you can maximize payouts and reduce downtime between orders. You can track earnings in real time and get same-day deposits into your debit card or wallet. Average drivers make around $100 to $200 daily, especially in large or busy metro areas. Referral bonuses and incentives are added perks for inviting friends or completing streaks. Wearable tech helps some couriers stay efficient and track time, mileage, and delivery zones. Tax deductions for mileage and expenses can improve your net profit over time significantly. It's a hustle that works well for students, gig workers, or those between full-time jobs today. 2. Freelance microtasks on gig platforms. Gig websites allow anyone to earn money daily by doing small digital tasks for global clients. Platforms like Fiverr, TaskRabbit, and People Per Hour offer tasks that pay instantly after work. You can do writing, design, transcription, translation, or virtual assistant tasks as a freelancer. Even simple jobs like data entry, reviewing websites, or testing apps are always in demand. The more gigs you complete, the faster your profile grows with ratings and client trust. Quick turnaround projects help you earn small amounts fast and stack several in one session. You can work whenever you want, and many jobs take less than 1 hour to complete online. This side hustle suits detail-oriented people who prefer task-based over long-term work. No fancy resume is needed. Clients care more about speed, accuracy, and consistent delivery. Building a profile with a niche skill, like subtitle editing or Canva design, helps you stand out. You can price low to attract first-time buyers, then raise rates as reviews boost visibility. The more you niche down, the easier it is to complete jobs faster and increase hourly income. Some users set income targets like $50 a day by completing 3 to 5 small online tasks. Repeat clients often hire again, creating a consistent pipeline of micro-income every week. Weekend work often pays more as clients want fast turnarounds before Monday deadlines. 3. Selling stock photos and videos. If you have a camera or a modern smartphone, you can turn content into cash every single day. Stock websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pexels pay creators for photo contributions. Once uploaded, your images or videos become assets that sell passively to users worldwide. You get paid each time someone downloads your content, sometimes multiple times per day. Payouts vary but can build up quickly with large libraries of quality photos in high demand. Popular niches include food, business, lifestyle, tech, nature, travel, and seasonal themes. You can take photos at home with good lighting, no need for fancy locations or expensive gear. Editing apps help polish your shots so they stand out and meet platform submission standards. Videos of people working, walking, laughing, or traveling are some of the most downloaded files. In 2025, AI tagging makes it easier to categorize and publish your uploads with perfect keywords. Consistency matters. Upload weekly and follow trends to increase daily downloads and views. Some contributors sell photo packs or bundles on Etsy and Gumroad for additional fast sales. You get instant feedback from analytics to see what is selling best and what to focus on next. Stock video clips often pay more than photos, especially if they are in 4K and well composed. Your portfolio earns even while you sleep, and earnings can be cashed out frequently. Some photographers hit $50 to $100 daily just from passive downloads of high-performing content. If you enjoy photography or content creation, this hustle becomes both fun and profitable. You can build libraries around your lifestyle, shoot what you know for authentic stock content. Daily sales increase as your image count grows, making it a great hustle to scale over time. In 2025, stock content is a reliable and creative way to earn daily from visual digital assets. 4. Flipping free items locally. Item flipping is a hustle where you find undervalued or free goods and sell them for fast profits. People give away furniture, electronics, or tools for free that can be resold the same day. A little cleaning, repainting, or fixing is all it takes to flip these for $20, $50, or even more. Some flip items found on curbs or community boards during seasonal cleanup and moving days. You can find local deals through notifications and keyword searches in freebie sections. Use storage space wisely so you can hold and prep items quickly before resale listings go live. Popular flips include baby items, lamps, chairs, microwaves, desks, or vintage tech devices. By posting clear photos and short descriptions, you can resell most items within hours. Many flippers earn $100 a day by selling just 2 or 3 items picked up for free. It requires hustle and transportation, but the startup cost is nearly zero for new sellers. Over time, you learn which items flip faster and which buyers pay the most consistently. Garage sales and thrift stores also offer cheap finds you can flip online for a solid markup. This hustle works best for people who are resourceful, quick, and good at spotting bargains. Some sellers eventually upgrade to flipping larger items like bikes, appliances, or decor. The more you sell, the easier it is to build a loyal buyer base for faster repeat sales. This is one of the fastest paying side hustles with no formal training or platform fees. It's a real-world income strategy anyone can start today using just time, effort, and awareness. In 2025, flipping remains a top local hustle that pays instantly and builds real-world profit fast. 5. Daily tutoring or language coaching online. If you know a subject well or speak English fluently, you can teach and earn daily from anywhere. Websites like Cambly, Preply, and Amazing Talker pay tutors directly after conducting live lessons. You can teach math, science, languages, or basic reading to students of all ages and backgrounds. No teaching degree is required on many platforms, just fluency and communication skills matter. English tutors are in high demand in 2025, especially in Asia, the Middle East, and South America. Sessions are often 20 to 60 minutes long and pay between $10 and $30 depending on the topic. You set your schedule, choose subjects you enjoy, and teach students worldwide from your laptop. Some teachers use slides or notes while others just talk casually to build conversation fluency. Tutors get paid daily or weekly, and some apps allow instant cash outs after each completed session. Your teaching room can be virtual, just find a quiet space and keep your camera and audio clear. You can teach part-time in the evenings or mornings around your regular job for extra daily cash. Some tutors create student packages for discounted prepaid sessions, boosting repeat clients. Use digital whiteboards, screen sharing, and flashcards to engage students and simplify topics. You can specialize in test prep, grammar, business English, or beginner-friendly phonics drills. With strong reviews and regular bookings, it's possible to make $50 or more per day consistently. Passion, patience, and structure make lessons more valuable and improve your tutor ratings. If you enjoy teaching or mentoring, this side hustle becomes fulfilling as well as profitable. From gig apps to digital services, these daily paying side hustles can put money in your pocket starting today. Which one are you going to try first? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you found a hustle that fits your goals, like the video and subscribe to Nova for more real ways to boost your income in 2025. See you in the next one.